Breakdowns in critical equipment can disrupt power generation and significantly impact local communities. Sulzer ensures reliable, sustainable energy for thousands of households by providing maintenance and repair services to its clients, such as biomass power plant EPR Thetford.
Thetford Power Station in Norfolk is known for its innovative use of poultry litter as fuel. It's been generating green energy for more than 20 years, supplying up to 100,000 local homes and businesses. At the heart of the operation here is the steam turbine, which is serviced and repaired by a team from Sulzer.
And it's the skills and expertise of these engineers that ensures this maintenance work can be carried out efficiently and quickly within the planned shutdown period, so this plant can return online on time.
So this is a typical project for us.
Rain Forth is a Sulzer Service Centre manager, and she told me that maintaining and optimising equipment will not only improve the plant's reliability and efficiency, but also its sustainability.
Sulzer does not only support these turbine repairs, we're an independent service provider, so we look after pumps, motors, any number of rotating equipment. And when we're on site here, we really give a holistic assessment of what's required to get the equipment back up to speed. But also, when it comes to machinery efficiency, machinery that's not running efficiently or reliably can actually consume more power and energy in its actual operation. So making sure that that is running in the way it's supposed to has a positive impact on the environment as well.
We've got 5 power stations generating renewable, sustainable power from biomass.
Eddie Wilkinson is the CEO of the company which operates the plant, and he welcomes Sulzer's holistic approach to their work alongside their attention to detail.
A key partner such as Sulzer is vital. They need to understand the works to start with, they need to be involved in the planning process with us, but they also need to be fleet of foot and flexible during an outage, because we'll find things we're not expecting, and we need someone that can bring a breadth of skills and experience and knowledge to bear when that sort of thing happens, to make sure it doesn't lead to overruns. And it would only take a small piece of kit to break down. If it's a single point of failure and it fails and breaks, that will take us offline. So really that's probably one of Sulzer's key strengths, its breadth of knowledge, the things it brings to the party, and its ability to do machining on site, technical reviews and the like. They're first class in that regard.
So here we have our coil manufacturing facility.
John Davenport is head of Sulzer's services in the UK and Nordics, and I met him in Birmingham at one of Sulzer's service centres. He told me the teams on the ground have access to global expertise, resources and parts to overcome any challenge they may encounter.
Sulzer is a global leader in technology, and even from its early days, Sulzer has always been at the core of critical infrastructure, working right the way across supply chains, whether that's in the chemical industry, power generation or transportation industries. We have global centres of excellence. So if there is a local problem we can't solve, there is a global solution that we can tap into. There's global resources that can help us if we need it. But the teams that we have, the technical know-how that we have, our adaptability, our thirst for working with clients and saying, no problem's too big, we'll come and work with you, we'll help you find a solution, is just, I would say, impressive every single day.
Back in Thetford, the team is on target to complete their maintenance work in the time they have allocated to them. Sulzer is not just a service provider, it's a trusted engineering partner in ensuring this plant can continue to produce clean, renewable energy for the years to come.